Hi, third graders. Today we are working on Word Study Unit 10, Open and Closed Syllable Pattern Words. Your target is, I can spell words with open and closed syllable patterns. Open and closed syllable patterns. Open and closed syllable patterns. An open pattern is a syllable that ends with a vowel. The vowel in an open syllable is usually long. V stands for vowels, A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. Consonant are all the other letters, and this other V stands for vowels. Step 1 is to divide your word into syllables. Tiger. Draw a line, and then you can see that we have a vowel, consonant, vowel. Paper. Draw your line where you divided your word into syllables, vowel, consonant, vowel. Moment. Draw your line, dividing your word into two syllables, vowel, consonant, vowel. A closed pattern is a syllable that ends with a consonant. The vowel in a closed syllable is usually short. This pattern is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Divide your word into syllables. Lesson. Mark where you would make your division, and now you can see that you have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Happen. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Puppy. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Find this page in your packet and we will practice some together. When you are figuring out the syllables in words, sometimes it is easier to either clap your fingers or clap your hands or snap your fingers to figure out where the dividing line would go. For example, crazy. We are going to write our dividing line right there. Now our word is divided into two syllables, and we can see that we have a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. Let's try puppy, and we will snap this one together. Puppy. Divide your word into two syllables and label the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Let's do happy. Happy. Make your dividing line so you have two syllables. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Let's do later together. Later. Divide your word into two syllables and then label your vowel, consonant, vowel. Third graders, your assignment is to finish this page in your packet along with this one and this one. Divide each word into syllables and then label with either the vowel, consonant, vowel pattern or the vowel, consonant, consonant pattern. When you are finished, save your word study packet in your reading folder.